Members VO review. Hello guys, this is Rohit from techiwork.com and today I am going to review Member VO. So this is the dashboard of Member VO. So as you can see, we have some options here as in the dashboard, and I have an access of all of the funnel, right? And as you can see, we have a smart builder, a smart product, a smart membership, a smart mailer. So this is the access I currently have, which you will get on a bundle deal. When you buy the front end, you will only get these two or these three. So that totally depends which version or which OTO of Member VO you buy. So keep that in mind, and also I'm going to talk about different OTOs and pricing of Member VO on the end of this video. So stay till end of this video and you are going to know everything about Member VO. So now this is the dashboard. Before jumping into the review, I just want to show you, if you want to buy all the OTOs, you can buy from this particular link. And if you want to buy this particular software, you are going to get some bonuses, and the link of this particular page will be available on this link on the description of this video. So you can go and check all my bonuses, all my crazy bonuses from here. If you decided to buy the front end also, you can get from these links or from this link. You are also going to get my bonuses. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it from my link. So this is the overview, the dashboard of this particular thing. And if I'm going to show you what you able to do with this particular platform, right? If if you want to create your own courses on membership site, this is a perfect combination of tools and platform, right? If you want to create, for example, if you want to create an course website or something like that, you can create. I'm just going to preview this particular page for you. And here we have all the access. When user can come, he can watch different kind of videos. If you have part 1, part 2, part 3, as you can name it, you can add different modules and something like that. And you can also have everything and everything here. This is the template. They include many templates with this particular platform. This is just one template. I'm going to show you how it works, right? And how it is going to get. For example, if you have some kind of other courses, you can add multiple courses to your platform and do whatever you want. So this is the particular platform here. So on the dashboard, on main dashboard, I'm jumping into the main dashboard, and I'm going to show you how you can create your own courses and product like these. And here we are on smart product and product overview. If I want to create a new product, now you can create a product like digital product, like softwares or some files. If you selling PDFs on all these kind of things, you can do on this particular option. And if you want to create your own online courses, that is the main thing about this particular software. So here we are on the membership. Now I have to give a product name, so just I'm going to give it a K video course, and you can write your description here, and you can create all the funnels also. I'm just going to show you how you can create them. And here you have to put down an image of your product. Let's take this one right now. As you can see, you can crop and all these things also from here. So I'm just going to take an image just for a reference. Now here you have to put your support links. I'm just creating a demo for you guys, and here I'm just going to paste some random URL. And if you want to get your sales notification when your product or your courses are being selling and somebody buys, you can like turn this notification on. Now it asks for a payment. If somebody buys your course, from which of the payment method, they have included many of the like PayPal, Stripe and all these things. Just now I have only connected like JVZoo and all these things, so no worries about this. For right now I am going to give it for free, right? And we just have to give and pricing. You can like add different kind of pricing also for different kind of platforms. Like if you have a bunch of courses, like 2 courses, 3 courses, you can sell that, and you can do many things on one particular landing page, right? So we are just going to get like a normal thank you page, which is by default available. Now if you want to create some automations and all these things, for example somebody buys your course, you have included some extra bonuses from your side, and if he purchases your course, like which of the variation, it also asks about the variation. Right now our variation is free, so I can add it to autoresponder, or I can like add or remove tags from it. Because if you have somebody on your email list and if he buys your particular course, you don't want him to be on a free list. You can change their list and do all kind of crazy things from here. I'm just going to delete right now and I'm going to move further. You can do it on your own time. Now when somebody buys your course, they are automatically going to get all access, membership access, URL, their username, their password and everything. So you have to just create an course, right? So this how you are going to create your membership site. You can also like host it on your custom domain, on your own custom domain. So you can do also that. The training is available, everything is available, right? When you will buy this particular software, you will get everything. So no worries about that, but because I cannot show you fully how it is going to work, because software has many things, right? So we have to just get it module. So digital module 1, and here I have to write something and just create this module. So in a particular module you can include many lessons, right? For example, if you are teaching Facebook ads, and when you are on a when you are on an introduction part, you are going to give it the demo of business managers and different kind of things. So you can add different kind of lessons, right? For example, how to create WordPress website, and I'm going to create a lesson on that. And now on this particular lesson, what I can do, you have to just publish it. I'm going to show you how it is going to be, and you have to just go to here and on the edit part, and you have to add your video source, right? You can also embed your codes and do all these things. On the OTO, you also get, if you buy the bundle, you also get an unlimited video hosting platform from this. I'm just going to get a random video just to like show you how it really works. Now I have to just save this content, and I can also add some files. If you have some additional files, you also can include worksheets. So that is also there. For example, if you want to add some worksheets, and if you want to add some files, if you have some kind of files and all the stuff, right? I'm just going to save this content here. And now what I have to do, I have to go to my product again, and I have to publish it. Do remember to publish it. And now I can preview this particular product. This how I've just created and flown membership site and video course site, right? You can, like, of course, change all these things. You have to just I have to just go to start the lesson, right? And here we have our course. Of course, I have not taken the right dimension, that's why it is showing like that, but you can do it by going on edit, and you can, of course, like, it is taking some time to will like fully load up. Okay, this is my video, right? And what I can do, I can go to edit, and now I can go to video, and for example, just clicked on that video. Now I can get a new length for this particular video. For example, my length is 808, my width is 808. Now I have to save it, and again, boom, our video will be changed. So this how, okay, it is not changed here. Let us do it again. I have to save this content again, right? So this is saved now. Right now, let us see how. So this is how you will do all your product thing. And they have also included, as you can see, our video is fully available here, as you can see on a right dimensions or size. So you can do all these things here. Now they have also included sales funnels and all these things. Now I just want to show you some integrations. As you can see, if I want to add a new integration, like some kind of email marketing tools, we have ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, and they also include PayPal, Stripe, and different kind of Digistore, JVZoo, ClickBank, and all these. They also include some webinar software. Then they have included some SMTPs, and they have also included, for example, for if you want to go ahead and do more automations, they have included Zapier and all these things here. So you can integrate different kind of platforms and all these things from here. They have also included many things. So software is kind of a great deal for a guy like me, because I do these kind of things daily. So if you add a new funnel, they have also included a funnel thing here. If you want to create a funnel, for example, a product launch funnel, or a lead gen funnel, or some kind of custom funnel, also you can import funnels. So some kind of webinar funnel, they have also included that. So I'm just going to take it for a sales funnel, because if you want to sell, then we have a pre-sale page, a upsell page, a downsell page, and the thank you page, and the checkout page. Everything is done for you. So now just we have to just get an template for this particular platform. Let us have a template for this. For example, preview. For example, I can preview a template like this. I'm just going to take it. Let us be a spiritual coaching. They have also have multiple. Just give it a yoga name. So I'm just going to create a funnel right now in front of you. Now we are on a builder. As you can see, this is the template of that particular funnel. So it will take some time to load up, because everything is done for you. Now, for example, if you want to change this particular 30 minutes to 15 minutes, as you can see, it is very easy to do. You can add different kind of things. You can change the files and do, for example, if you want to change this image to this, and you can also upload your own images, right? So it is very easy. And if you want to check other pages, if you want to change something on your thank you page, as you can see, they have a theme on every, means if they have a bunch of color schemes and all these things. So as you can see, you can like do whatever you want, and you have to just publish it. And you can go to preview. I'm just going to show you the preview of this particular funnel. Of course, I'm not editing right now to it because it will take time. You just know how to edit. For example, I'm going to click on preview. As you can see, it is a great funnel builder, right? Also, they have included a funnel builder on the pre-sale. Let's check the pre-sale page. As you can see, we have a pre-sale page, and when I click to book this call, then they ask for an, of course you have to include it. So everything is done for you guys. For example, PayPal, if you have a Stripe account, you can connect to it and do whatever you want. So that is a great deal if you get it on this particular price. So this is about the member Vio. So you can also like check the membership, smart membership thing. Here you can like create your membership products and all these things here. So you can check all. They have also included some done for you courses here. So you can go and check if you want to change your themes and all that stuff. Also you can change here. For example, a digital art theme, if you want to go and preview this particular funnel. So you can also change that. So let's not waste a lot of your time, and let's get into the pricing and upsells about this particular platform. Okay, when you click on this link, you will get an bundle deal which is available on, especially on the link on the description of this video. So here what you will get all the OTOs at 55% off. So as you can see, all the OTOs is here. For example, member Vio Elite, member Vio Unlimited, member Vio Insight Club. So member Vio edition, where you can create up to 5 websites, and you have a Viddle account, which is unlimited video hosting platform, and you are getting it for, I think, okay, getting it for you can also get use this coupon, right? And you are going to get it at a one time low time fees. They also include done for your courses here. So why not to get this VIP bundle, right? I have this VIP bundle, so why not to get this? And as you can see on pricing here, you can see what you are going to get, or everything about the OTOs of this particular product. And this, for my conclusion for this particular platform, is positive, because things works really nicely. It is very easy to set up everything. You also get training when you will buy it. You will get a full-blown training about it. So that is also not the worry, because setting up a membership website, like mails and all these things, then video hosting, we have to get in different video hosting. First we have to get in website web hosting, then we have to change many things. If there is some error, we have to invest lot of my money, also my time, because time is money, right? So here is the thing about this software. This was Rohit. If you want to get this particular software, the link is available on the description below. So thank you guys for this video. See you.